All right, let's pull some pork. Nice. Yeah, buddy.
We're done.
There you go. That, my friends, is how you pull pork. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, it's Mike here with Mosquito Bite Mikes. We're back at you with another episode from the Summer BBQ Series. Only have a couple more left, so stay tuned and make sure you don't miss any. Today we're going to do a pork butt. Now, despite the cool intro you saw, we're not going to be using that because we're not really doing 40 pork butts. But anyway, we'll talk more about that later. So, hey, so today what we have is an 8.5 pound pork butt. Okay? And we have a seasoning mix that's basically salt, pepper, and garlic, all coarse ground. At the end, we're going to use a medium-sized onion and some spicy Dickey's barbecue sauce. Now, I am perfectly aware that I have made it clear about my disdain for barbecue sauce, but when you're doing pulled pork, a lot of times you need a little bit of barbecue sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to season up this this pork butt. We're going to get about probably 5-6 hours of smoke and heat on it at 250, 275 degrees. You know your pork butt's done when the bone in it just pulls cleanly out, and that's probably not going to quite be enough to do it, but it's going to get close. So what I'm going to do then, I've never tried this before, we're going to give it a shot. We're going to transfer that to a crock pot with a full medium-sized onion that's rough chopped, and probably about a 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of the barbecue sauce I just showed you. And then we're gonna let that get happy for a couple hours until that bone pulls right out of there. And I tell you what, I don't know, but I have a feeling that that's just gonna be over the top good. So we're gonna give it a shot. So let's prep our butt and get it on the pit. Okay, looking good. Okay, is that a beautiful butt or what? Let's close it up. And we're still at 275, 300, and that's really what we're looking for. So let's let it get happy. Okay, so we have we've been in the crock pot with our onion and our barbecue sauce for a couple hours now, and so we're gonna come in here and just take a look, and oh my goodness, I put a fork to it already and it's just falling apart. And remember me talking about the bone thing? You basically, you know, basically the meat just falls off the bone and you can pull the bone out, and there you have it. So, but yeah, it is just absolutely yum. Highly recommend this. If you like your pork butt kicked up a notch, this is the way. This is the way to do it. So anyway, hey, that's all for me. Hope you enjoy it. Keep barbecuing. A couple more episodes left for our summer series, and then hey, we'll see you next time. And there you have it, a spicy pulled pork taco.